How's life after acquisition? How's life at WP Engine?
So we sold StudioPress almost 4 years ago. I spent the first year sort of contracting and doing transition work. I was not hired by the company at that point. I wanted to do my own thing. I needed some time to kind of just to do whatever I wanted. And so that lasted until September of this past year when Heather Bruner, the CEO, and I started talking, and she was discussing the possibility of this developer relations position. And at the time I was burnt out with product world. I had been on my own for 15 years. And, there are times, and there's a lesson here too. Sometimes it's okay to work for somebody else. Like sometimes we need seasons where we're not in control. We don't have to bear responsibility. And obviously WP Engine bought StudioPress. All of our people are still here. They've all moved up. They're all happy. And so I knew from a culture perspective, from a culture perspective, there was nothing to think about. Like I knew this was a company I wanted to work for. And so when we started discussing the job and the duties and the stuff that I would be doing, which is essentially what I was doing on my own, and the types of work I love to do, design, community building, evangelizing WordPress and products, it was a no-brainer. And so I've been here just over 7 months. I love it here. I'm building a team of developer relations. I've referred other people internally. Like it's really, really a great fit, and I really love it here. So
nice. WP Engine has become big, right? It's now huge.
We are 1,200. We have 1,200 employees.
Wow.
A lot of people don't realize that, and revenue in the hundreds of millions, and probably a unicorn.